Hello. Today, we're going to talk about DeepSeek and why it is making big news in the AI industry. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What is DeepSeek?
DeepSeek is a company from China. It recently developed a very advanced AI model called DeepSeek R1. Many people are saying this model is just as good as the AI created by big companies like OpenAI or Google.
Why is everyone talking about DeepSeek?
People are surprised because DeepSeek says it made this AI model for only $5.6 million. This is much cheaper than other big AI projects, which can cost hundreds of millions of dollars.
How does this affect the AI industry?
It's creating a lot of concern. Many AI companies like Nvidia and OpenAI spend a lot of money on building advanced AI. They also rely on expensive hardware like GPUs, which are powerful computer chips. If DeepSeek can do the same thing with less money, it could change the way the AI industry works.
Did this cause problems for AI companies?
Yes, it did. For example, Nvidia's stock price dropped because people are worried that companies won't need to buy as many chips to make AI. This news caused a big reaction in the stock market, and over $1 trillion of value was lost in just a few days.
How did DeepSeek make their AI so cheaply?
DeepSeek says they used better methods to train their AI and avoided using too many resources. However, some experts are skeptical. They think DeepSeek may not be telling the full story. The company might have hidden costs or used technologies created by other companies.
Is DeepSeek's AI really that good?
That's a good question. Some researchers believe DeepSeek R1 is very advanced, but it's still new, and we don't know how it performs in real world situations. It might not be as strong or reliable as OpenAI's or Google's AI models.
How are other AI companies responding?
Some companies are worried, but others are saying this could be a good thing. If AI becomes cheaper to make, it could help more companies and people use AI tools. That could even grow the market and create new opportunities.
What are the risks for DeepSeek?
DeepSeek faces some challenges. If other companies think DeepSeek used their ideas or technology without permission, there could be legal problems. Also, creating a great AI model is only one step. DeepSeek needs to compete with big companies like OpenAI to find customers and earn trust.
Why did Nvidia lose so much stock value?
Nvidia makes the GPUs that most AI companies need to build and run their models. If DeepSeek and other companies can make AI without using as many GPUs, Nvidia might lose business. However, some experts think this is just a temporary reaction, and Nvidia will still play a big role in AI.
Are there any positives from this situation?
Yes, DeepSeek's success shows that it's possible to make AI in new ways. It also means there will be more competition in the AI industry. Competition often helps everyone improve and innovate faster.
What does this mean for the future of AI?
The AI industry might change in big ways. Companies will need to find new strategies to stay competitive if AI becomes cheaper and easier to make. At the same time, more companies joining the market could bring fresh ideas and make AI technology more accessible to everyone.
Is it still safe to invest in AI companies like Nvidia?
Many experts believe it's still safe. Nvidia and other companies are leaders in AI hardware and software. Even if the market changes, their technology will likely remain important. The market might just need some time to adjust.
How can I learn more about DeepSeek?
You can read news articles about the company and its model, DeepSeek R1. Many tech experts are discussing what this could mean for the future of AI, so you can find a lot of opinions online.
Thank you for explaining everything. I didn't know about DeepSeek before, but now I'm very interested.
You're welcome. The AI industry is changing fast, and it's an exciting time to learn about it. Keep exploring and asking questions.